trip up on the sailing boat. Reaching a jam down when me make a stop. Got to say that I am on my way. Won't be back for a many a days. My heart is burning, I'm turning around. I leave a little gal long in a Kingston town. Jamaica is an island in the Caribbean. They all are the big bumper girls come from.
Hey guys, I'm out with my niece and my cousin. There goes Bianca. Say hi, Bianca. And Aldrin. Say hi, Aldrin. What are you eating? What are you eating? What are you eating? Coffee and what? And pineapple juice? Okay. And I'm having a Devon House eggnog. It's so good. So good, but it's hot as all get out, you guys. So hot. I feel like my vlogs this time are boring, but it's more like family oriented. Like I feel like I'm not really able to do a lot of things that I would have liked to do. Of course, I want to spend time with my niece. I actually took her away and have her with me here by my grandma. So basically, I'm like her guardian right now. So I'm playing mommy. And the other two are actually coming today. So we just drove into the town to get her a Barbie toothbrush. She wants a Barbie phone. I can't find a Barbie phone anywhere, so that one's not happening. But yeah, we just came now to have something to eat, and then I'm gonna just drive back home. Jermaine disappeared on me this morning. I have no idea where he went, so I don't have my party. And I would go to the beach, but my brother is coming. I'm expecting my brother like around noon, 1-ish or so. It's 12:15 right now, so I don't want to leave until he gets here with the girls. I want to be here when he gets here. So guys, I got these Toms specifically for this trip because I thought they were perfect and like so tropical. But look how Aldrin stepped all over my Toms though. They're so dirty already. Aldrin, you know it's your fault. You stepped on my Toms, right? Look how dirty they are. Don't step on my shoes, Bianca. Very pretty. I like your slippers. Where'd you get those? It's me. Get off the floor. They're pretty. I like your nail polish. Very pretty. Pretty toes, pretty feet, pretty fingers. Yes. Your manicure is looking better than mine. Look at my fingers, guys. This is like an atrocity. It's really bad. But it's not about looking good. It's about spending time with my family, spending time with my pretty, pretty niece. My mini-me. Come sit next to me. Let them see how much you look like me. Come here. But look at my twin though. Look at my twin though. You think you look like me? Yeah? Do you see this, guys? Do you see this? Do you see this right here? Do you see it? It's there. It's there. What are we looking for? This thing right here? No, I don't have that little mark. We just have the same forehead, that's all. See, we can put our foreheads together like boop, boop, boop. Forehead power. What's up, baby? You want to do them? Oh my God. Oh, mommy problems. What do I do? There's no bathroom here. Guys, just came to check my Uncle Wally.
That's right.
So Uncle Wally. All right. And then there's my Uncle Matt. You guys met him before. All right.
My family can hide you?
Good.
Good.
Good. You
Well,
are.
for this appeal, I'm put you against you call it
What?
on the Facebook. Bro, man, put one picture, one small picture against one small picture.
The 2-year-old one, the 2-year-old one, the little one.
I know this one I put
I know
against.
this one, the little one. But them look alike. Alright guys, so we're heading back to Grandma's right now. I've got the kitties with me, I've got my beautiful Bianca there, and I've got, who's that in the middle? What's your name? What's your name? Aldrin? Is that your name? Yeah. Woo! Alright, so yeah, we're just heading back to Grandma's right now. It's hot as all hell outside right now. I was like in Brownstown, but I can say it was too hot. It was too hot. It was too hot. Say it. It was too hot. It was too hot. Live in my car? No, nobody lives in my car. Oh my gosh. So these are the treacherous roads that I have to take, that I have to navigate to get to the grandparents. Yeah. You have to be quick on your feet, man. Quick, 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 quick. Ain't that a car? Yes. That's Squatty's car right there. Oh. Alright, I'm not going to film anymore because it's a little dangerous going around this little corner, this little bend. We're driving by Raquel's house right now, but she's at work, so we're not going to bother her. Beep, beep. Beep again? Beep, beep. You want to beep? Beep. Go ahead. Beep. Alright. Oh my god, guys. I just got back to my grandparents and this AC is feeling so good right about now. Like so good. I don't even want to get out of this car. But I need to go get some juice on my phone. And since it doesn't charge when the car is not on, I'm going to go plug it in inside. Oi. 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 Oh. Huh? You pull the door? Okay. Ah, guys. Oh. No, keep it on. Keep it on. Ah, this reminds me of my vlog where I was having that mango. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Oh my god, guys, I just woke up again. Well, but I just woke up from that nap. I had to take a nap. It was so freaking hot. And then I went to bed with the fan on. I wake up because the fan's off and I look, the lights are gone. Paul always old star, always. Really?
I'm allergic to some animals, like guinea pigs.
Guinea pigs?
Yeah, I have guinea pigs.
Oh. So my niece just got here. The other two. I know, my chunky niece. I like your hair. It's very neat.
Thank you. So we're
So
gonna.
look, see the house up there? That's our grandparents' house. So that's the family house.
Okay, which one I'm gonna sleep in?
I don't know.
Not that one.
Why?
It's too far off.
That's not too far. Maybe that one. It depends. We'll see. Probably that one.
So you have your clothes in this one.
Has more room and stuff.
This
is Jermaine's house. Remember Jermaine was with us yesterday?
Yeah.
All right, so
He's
this is Jermaine's house. No, he went on the road. I don't know where he went. So.
Your husband? He's your husband?
Jermaine's my cousin, little girl.
You got that girl?
Hi. Hi, Mama. I like your slippers. Hey. Who gets shy now? Bianca? Bianca! Come here, baby. Bianca. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful girl. Her name was Bianca. Bianca was so pretty. She had the most perfect teeth and pretty eyes. And then Bianca found out that she had 2 sisters. She was so excited to meet her sisters. So she went to Daddy and she was like, Daddy, I want to meet my sisters. And Daddy was like, okay, you have a sister. Her name's Danielle. She's the funny one. She's really sweet. She's very smart. And Bianca said, so what about my other sister? And Daddy was like, oh, that's Gianna. Gianna is very talkative. And she can get into a lot of trouble sometimes. She's very mischievous. So Bianca says, Daddy, I want to meet them, right? So Daddy's like, okay, fine. I'm gonna allow you guys to meet. And then one day, Daddy went and he got Danielle and he got Gianna and he brought both of them to go see Bianca. She was so happy. She's like, oh my God, finally, I have sisters and we're all pretty and we all look alike. And they lived happily ever after as the bestest sisters in the entire world. The end. Yay! Another one? One about her? All right. Okay. Once upon a time, this little girl, her name was Danielle. Danielle liked to read. She loved cats. And she hated dogs. So one day her dad came home and Dad said, Danielle, look, I got you a puppy. And Danielle was like, no, I hate dogs, Daddy. I don't want a dog. Please get rid of the dog. I don't want a dog. And Daddy was like, well, why do you hate dogs? She said, because when I was a baby, I dreamt that a dog bit me. So Daddy was like, but that was a dream, Danielle. Dreams are dreams. They're not real.
The dog said I like to
Huh?
be.
The dog said you like to get bit? What happened?
My dog jumped on me on my face.
He did?
Yeah, Joe loves to jump on people.
Oh, wow. So, Daddy told you that it was a dream and that dreams are not all real and that there was no reason for you to hate the dogs because it was only a dream. And you said, okay, Daddy, and you lived happily ever after. One for Gianna? All right, this is the last one. Oh, once upon a time, there was a little girl. Her name was Gianna. Gianna was like a 2-year-old, but she looked like a 4-year-old. So everywhere they went, people were like, oh my God, this little girl. Oh my God, how old is she? Like 4 or 5, right? And her mom kept having to say, no, she's a baby. She's 2. But Gianna didn't like being called a baby. She wanted to be a big girl. So she's like, no, I'm not a baby. I'm a big girl. And so every time people asked her how old she was, she's like, I'm 4. Mom looked at her and she's like, Gianna, no, you're not 4. You're only 2. You're a baby.
No.
And Gianna said, no, I'm not a baby. I'm a big girl. So one day, Gianna went to the park and they had all these rides for little kids to ride on. And each ride said you had to be this tall to ride this ride, right? So all the kids were going, and they would measure them and they were perfectly fine. And then Gianna went and Gianna was too short. She couldn't go on the ride. So the man said, I'm sorry, Gianna. You're not tall enough. You can't get on this ride. But Gianna said, but I'm a big girl. I'm supposed to be able to get on this ride. And he said, no, to get on this ride, you have to be at least 3 feet tall. So Gianna walked away. She put her head down. She's like, oh, I thought I was a big girl and I can't get on this ride. And she left and she went back and Daddy looked at her and he's like, Gianna, what's the matter? Why are you upset? Why aren't you happy? She said, because I wasn't able to get on the ride.
I wasn't tall enough to get on the ride. And all the other kids got on the ride. And Dad said, that's because those kids are bigger kids. They're bigger kids. And you need a little bit more time. So the next year they went to the park, and guess what?
She can go to ride.
Tiana was big enough because she grew. And she was able to ride all the rides the big kids did. The end.
Yay!
All right. Headed to Club Jamaica with the Paris. I've got Jermaine with me. I've got my surprise friend back there with me. I'm rolling with 4 men tonight. Oh, but it's me.